To this guy like this, I can tell you on authority, Afenyo Markin, because of what you and Samira did, take your seat from you. Everybody in Ghana is surprised about this statement, but it will happen in 2020. Because so Afenyo Markin, you'll control to take the seat and you will never understand. After that, because of the plan you and Samira plotted against me, because of the plan you and Samira plotted against me, will take you out of parliament. Will take you out of parliament. So all these things, and as you know, the MPP as a political party, no, Muntie assembly Afenyo Markin aka mo NDC4 any mo some grass grassroots near that ejuma no eba take advantage. Now muntie Afenyo Markin no assembly waka. Or say Ghana needs job creators, not just job seekers. Government sector is choked. Afenyo Markin assemble or can ene or say abain ehia oma omo betume create o mankase djuma enye omo pay djuma abain tumi mfa djuma biem Afenyo Markin asem ono obie na no ka kire MPP for ne Ghana for afi wo hu ma me reading the statement ni nyina nkire o say minority leader and Efutu MP Alexander Afenyo Markin has called on Ghanaian graduates to embrace entrepreneurship and innovation rather than relying solely on white-collar employment. Afenyo Markin say, "Obeso kache mo school for na moya graduates they say, sa mo adwene ya mo se mo betumi nya adwuma office no, aban ne adwuma bia ma mo office bia. Ose mo ankasa mo create mo adwuma Afenyo Markin no, obedi power 8 years. O wende de o ka kire mo. Nipa 500,000 na se mo ko apply adwuma mo nya na ogina parliament se agi musike di no. And they all catch them say, Mukra mo pe office adwuma dodo. Mo nyina mo ko create mo adwuma na mo fam kwasa sem fio. Afenyo Markin no asem na me kan kire wo no. Otu a wo se MPP dwene ho. They don't care. They didn't have Afenyo Markin in parliament. It is because Muntaka man protocol. Afenyo Markin does not care about you. Efutu PDD emfa no ho. O when the asma obi na no aka graduates. Test confirm 8 years yan for adwuma no. And the Ghana for no man for adwuma for 8 years now. Aba peso na. NDC abai pe kwan bi so afọ adwuma no. Afenyo Markin say we graduate we school. Ope office atena. Mo fam kwasi anko na munya den. Na ono Afenyo Markin say munya den. O say munyina mun kreti mu ankasa adwuma. Na aban ankasa entumi fe adwuma. Afenyo Markin. Okon anim no. Don't rely on white collar jobs. Or say menya wa adwene say obema aban afọ adwuma. Ejuma ni ho na wankasa so we graduate we and ekufuado we graduate we and ekufuado 8 years now to fear wankasa create wankasa wadwuma akwa we asama efiri na no a oka kire Ghana imbebunu nne no Efutu PDD afemate meka kire mo anama sori na mudi atem na NDC nipa 500,000 na mo fo bi adwuma otasma Afenyo ka kire or say aban to me for adwuma bia mo fam kwase anko no so you graduate one can create adwuma. And that was the mentality omodetena power for 8 years. Oh, and that's more be na no ka kire. But we are going to parliament. I don't want for the 500,000 adwuma. This is the same person. Makajem say obi o dirty or politics ma or very foolish Ghana politician a wejimi pa Afenyo Markin. Now nim there ya, mama chawa there. Chawa there. And John Dramani Mahama na owa kwentum nyina na oye meetings obedru Ghana and wa frɛ eye security corps ni nyina immigration police military navy wa from nyina ba eye cabinet say opese oti bibia ase and obi so nyina say what is really going on and nyina say Mr. President, in a space of 4 years you betuma fa nipa only 12,000. Security agencies ni nyina 12,000 pe betuma fa. All because nipa ya beto no for the past 8 years no na do dan kweku for de Bawumia mo o man fa nipa bia. Right now so there's no space. In fact, we need to start thinking out of the box because the youth out there no they were looking up to us to make sure say MPP Jimmy no mai to me and Ajoma Hama catch them say okay. Initially a no na ye nim se eye unemployment asema na ewo ho ne nim se eye crazy sir. John Mahama in opposition admitted that there were a lot of young people who were not employed. But you see, Nana Dankweku for the MPP ni Bawumia mono, because they were liars, they were not even telling us the raw truth. In fact, they did not employ anybody for the past 8 years. Now, what happened? And they say there was this backlog because of the introduction of the free SHSR. Now, omni exit plan. No, until they hid that secret. They never told Oman Kanje Ghana for say na emebru do duo Ghana omo for juma. Until John Mahama Asia the security couples ni nyina no. And also no, this is a national security threat, and that something needs to be done. In John Mahama, at the end of the meeting, no, and say President Mahama direct number of persons to be recruited to the various security agencies over the 4-year period be increased from 20,000 to 40,000 after meeting with heads of security agencies and interior minister. And John Mahama Shabo or see numbers now who you know. And no my imagine say come between 12,000 to 20,000. And John Mahama Ashemra wakacha interior minister any security agencies in say from end Ekopim 2028 I will say fa imebunu 40,000 their respective security agencies in Ghana. 40,000 because John Mahama the other didn't who you know. Na onim se na do dan kweku for na Bawumia mo no damage omaya Ghana no na ono krampo he was still underestimating the danger na omay we wom enti John Mahama Asia interior minister muntaka any the security agencies in periphery nyina say no this is never right enti John Mahama to one among or say adia aban bia nya bi da no oba beye in the space of 4 years from now to 2028 I will say fa imebunu over 40,000 security agencies from police to military to fire service to navy or say ye imebunu 40,000. This is a government that is thinking about you and I. This is a government that is trying to make sure it is not easy for a government to come in and say 40,000 from now to 2028, meaning averagely every year over 10,000 people. Every year, John Mahama said I was say interior ministry efa nipa over 10,000. As somebody at all, but it was supposed to be 5,000 or less. And this is a man who is trying to create opportunities for young people in Ghana. Na sebio anka Bawumia ba power, any Akufo-Addo ba power. And anka every year be 8 years. Na nko mofa nipa 100,000 kranke wa hande. No. Anything they be amitie MPP for na omoka anything about unemployment. I may say, are you not ashamed? Ufo bi to say Afenyo Markin PDD. Na ufo bi to say Patricia PJ in penifo mu 12 dwene. Na omo to be parliament to say ye ntiasie adenti nipa 500,000 ebe pre adwuma. Then you look at them and say na mo agimi. Are you not even ashamed to be in parliament today saying, say, I buy about 1 year and to me for nipa 500,000 ejuma? This is what I've been talking about. Majority of the people who were making noise when this issue about 500,000 people kope ejuma e nipa 5,000 pe benya na mo kasa bebre no. This is a government that is always trying to find opportunities for the young people of this nation. Where abanya etnase na adwene say Aban kase obefa nipa 40,000 ejuma. It means Aban is supposed to make sure say our money available to pay these people. It is not just saying the number. So Aban kase obefa mebunu 10,000 every year in the security service. It means Aban needs to create an avenue where he will be able to raise money to pay them. How is the government going to do that? It is through a prudent management of the economy. It is making sure say you better cut down unnecessary expenditure. It is to make sure say you may be a win here no aban enye inti nkwasiade MPP ne Akufo-Addo ye no. This government is not going to do that. Inti we nya aban omunimu nyansa finance minister or yes smart obetumi move things around to make sure say they can make room, they can create room for some people to be employed. You will sit in a country and at the end of the day, young people will be piled up. And it's under Akufo-Addo, under Bawumia, we do not get people being employed. And it's and the year pay nipa 5,000 pay nipa 500,000 showed up. Now, and there sa announcement in the president. Ede sa Ranbetu was say, a byway. This is what they have decided to do. Munti Afenyo Markin. Afenyo Markin say, Muntieno.
The statement amounts to nothing. It still doesn't address the fundamental concerns we've raised. Look, according to the minister, 506,000 bought the forms. They've already paid some 220 Ghana cedis for the forms. After that, they've gone through this AI-generated aptitude test that has failed a lot of people. And then I was quoting 200,000, but the firm report said, minister said 105 people qualified for medicals. First of all, that number is questionable because there wasn't a fair system for qualifying people for medicals. So that is also another question mark. What it means is that some 400,000 people were denied the opportunity after the system had unfairly rejected them, after they had paid their money and traveled distances to have access to computer and then data to do that aptitude test. Now, with this increment, when I read the statement, the impression I got, in fact, the president is just adding 20,000, meaning that instead of 5,000 each year, they are now proposing 10,000 each year, making 40,000 for 4 years. But we're already in year 2, all right? Now, practically, what it means is that the 106,000 plus who have qualified for medicals, even if 20% should pass, the system cannot accommodate them because the system can only take 10,000. What becomes of the 90,000 is a question. Now you are going to take 1,600 Ghana cedis each for this basic medical test. Is that how much when you are going for?
You see, sometimes you ask yourself, say, I know what say, damn no my boy, and I say Jimmy no more Jimmy. Right now, Onwa Obaya went to create Juma. Onwa Obaya went to for nipa 7,000 per Juma. And the abound say obefa nipa 10,000. They have shifted the goalposts. Right now, see, oh, Sasikana and for the register, no, and no more can want them. Aptitude test, no, and no more can want them. The issue here is we want people to be employed. The government has still opened the net wide. And a lot of people are going to be employed on pay or say and day. And then you ask yourself, say, we mono a Jimmy and I say a Dama and I say just at the end of the day, a moment to make juma. A moment to make 10,000 great juma. Now this government is poised to at least employ 10,000 people every year. No, almost so and a crampo there and said that be encouraging. No, encourage for the registration. It's right now, no, encourage registration here more. Right now, no aptitude test to be on yeah. Right now, no they feel say this is the second year. Now, how can you govern with such fools? How can you govern with such fools? Sankan kofo wemba power da and Quebec say okay, we mu die yes so musha. These people have been in power for 8 years, and also Okasan he could never even open his mouth to say during our term when we were in power we employed 70,000 people. Also doing assembly. From the time the MPP started arguing or making noise about this recruitment, have they been able to mention a number, say, under our regime, we were able to employ 70 or 100,000 young people in Ghana? They have not been able to do that. Question anyway, on Ntim platform, Jason can say, this is even less. During our time, during Bawumia's time, we employed 60,000 young people into the military, into the security agencies. We employed 120,000. On Ntim make a figure because it was never possible. They couldn't do that. Na obia ba na se osa ebiem na odi nipa ne bi ka ho a o se o se let's talk about registration na nipa bi register ye. Oh, let's talk about aptitude test bia na enye fair. So you can see say they are not ready to help us to do what? To build this nation. They are not ready to help us to move forward. Anytime catch Ghana for say, and I was telling the NDC, you should not think say you want to govern, you want to please these people. Don't please these fools. You are not supposed to please the NPP. The NPP, they are not ready to help. They are not ready to think. They are not ready to create any. Jimmy, their job is to talk. Their job is to distract. Their job is to make noise. Now, a hole in the history of Ghana. This is the first time a government, about power, president to say, I want to make sure every year security agencies in Yafo nipa 10,000 in a year, nipa 40,000. In his 2 terms, nipa over 80,000 will be picked. Yes. In John Mahama's 2 terms, we know about 80,000 people will be picked in our security agencies, which is not a joke. It can even move to 100,000. And for you to just come, me who's the MPP ni be in parliament. Me who's the MPP journalist or blogger be to me say during our time in office for 8 years, we employed 60,000 people. It means they are foolish people. They are stupid. We are not supposed to take whatever they say serious. The NPP, the people in the party, they are foolish. They are stupid. They don't care. It is all about politics as usual. And in the history of Ghana, from Kwame Nkrumah time, this is the first time a government is thinking of employing 10,000 people every year in the security agencies, and then 40,000 total in a year. Now, in 4 years. So this is a big step. This is a huge step. We are very huge. We should not underestimate the John Mahama yet. Because no government can come in place and say they are going to recruit less than what John Mahama is now proposing or what they have decided to do. Meaning, lots and lots of young people are going to be given job now. So why should any politician today say, I have a problem with it. It was initially 5,000. Now it is 10,000. So in a year, it is 40,000. Aptitude test. The children who registered. Now, he goes back to his constituency. Afenyo Markin did their about this registration and inquiry for is because, you see, in the past, they used to get a lot of protocols. And then a more powerful constituency. For the 8 years, every time you have police, you have immigration, you have fire service, now they are able to control the numbers into a constituency. Na omakofo munkwara ako police mu. Then they use the same kits to frustrate people during elections. And no ne Kennedy Japan money the likes omaye for years. And for the 8 years then Afenyo Markin say okwa futua. No akwase sankofo akwa immigration. Akwase se biko police. And what they do is say during election day, omko police na no masako fufe mania de wasaba ho ya post o maba krubu ho. Then they turn the police into tags. Those boys now, police, then they bring those boys back to their constituencies during election. Now, this is the first time I get that opportunity. This guy like this, I can tell you on authority, but Afenyo Markin, because of what you and Samira did, I will take your seat from you. Everybody in Ghana is surprised about this statement, but it will happen in 2028. So Afenyo Markin, they will control a futu me. I will take the seat and he will never understand. After that, because of the plan you and Samira plotted against me, I will take you out of parliament. Ubetumaye anything. You can manipulate, do everything. Your gap is big, but you will lose in 2028. And I will take this seat from you. You will never understand. And that will be the end of your political career. I am telling you, because of you, what you and Samira did. And you know what I am talking about. That thing you people decided to do. I will make sure you will never enter parliament after 2028. You can say whatever you want to say. You can say you have the numbers in your constituency. You can say you are the controller of Efutu. You have all the numbers. May say what will happen to you in 2028 elections. You will never get over it. And that will shock you to the point it will be tough for you to walk from your room to your bedroom. From your bathroom to your bedroom. You will never understand. Because that thing you did, I will never forgive you. You and Samira, never. Now, Oriye, Tiasema Oko the constituency, Oko kachre the young people in his constituency. This is the message he's selling. Ewo eye the constituency. Tie.
The propaganda. She recruitment to crowd more yet. I bet an scam. Oh, Sebe, who say 500,000 out of forms. What for some aptitude test be disqualified. We are using 200,000 are qualified for medicals. Meanwhile, the vacancy is 5,000. Obi go to medicals, 1,600 Ghana cedi. Even 20% a pass medicals are 20,000. How would you take them? Maybe I'm catch a win by you to say. So Obi onim say when ya medicals message on medical. Man how you take them? Maybe I'm catch a win by you to say. So Obi onim say when ya medicals message on medical. Man at the end a scam. You take them. Maybe I'm catch a win by you to say. So Obi onim say when ya medicals message on medical. Man at the end a scam. Because who go bosia e dey akotua medicals. Who pass from so we fail. Omaji usikedi. Yani aban ne kasa ontie you take them. Me dey catch a win by you to say. So Obi onim say when ya medicals message on medical. Man at the end a scam.
Afenyo Markin at in the constituency. What has one catch the young people in his constituency? Also, I catch a futu. The youth don't want to say. So be crap pass it near sending the message say we qualify. Uncle medicals, na yem for the Juma, wa catch your money as momonko, na ye scam. This is a member of parliament. You see, Kwasia way, I did to parliament. I be catch a Ghana for say the youth don't have jobs. The youth have paid money. The government is owing the youth. Won't you owe? Or call the constituency no, or so I catch the constituency and say. In Mebru no more one qualify na yes your mumbra and medical test or see mamonko because they are buying yeno a scam. But kwasia way at China or what parliament say a buying yenina yentieno na adwene yemfa nkyekere man kwasia way way money show more from honorables. Oh, you see the reason why I don't use honorable anyhow? You see the reason why I don't use honorable anyhow? Kwasia way I don't obey honorable. A process, employment processor, ekoswa abine as a magana for me Bruno. Wa call the consider go catch a futu young people no. Or ma qualified say mama mko abine a scam. And this same person, kwasia we be parliament. Oh, and me Bruno, mama mwajuma. What are you doing? You know, you need to give them job. And kwasia we na nko for no mwajuma no so mama mko because he just wants to make the government unpopular. It is not about anything. Oh. You see, the idea San kwasiafo ya mamu too much room. Kwasiafo go parliament na youth na ohon wakoto petesiama en kwasiafo no mo winiba no. Nti imeburu no mo no de wan se oto petesiama mo osahene aba na almost tonwom no tutunto siogu mo ho. Na otutunto siogu mo no tutunto siogu no ho. Omu yom so de be ma o. De ode ye omo ano no on so mo agimi. Ende me no ka say edwuma bia ni winiba. Edwuma bia ni ho. Kwasia we nkofo akọ school enya Ako through a process. Na ebia lucky. Na say you are from some medicals. A member of parliament need to work at from some mama obia anko. A scam. And you see these people. Kwasia we. They are sorry. Na kwasia we a leader of a party in parliament. Then I sit here and say, let these people come to power. Na me abua. We only preko difference beni wom. Kwasia mpenyi we ni preko difference beni wom. Then somebody sits somewhere else and say, oh, we the honorable, a filthy, dirty guy. Or could you be yere? Na nipa ni nua bema repi obi. Eden nsakika obi mba kwasia wait was a lawyer. Calls people on phone, threaten people. Wakodi obi yere no wasa threaten nipa no kwasia. A dirty, selfish man like this. Jimmy Foey, near Tigana to some kwasiasem so. Then some people be grassroots for ye di Afenyo Markin echi or makasembi or mu Jimmy mo grassroots for be. They are fooling you people. Because Afenyo Markin no number na open in Kofoko police the abedani into tags in his constituency. Send a during elections no ometuma botu awo was second. That's what he has been doing these years. Okay? See akoya legitimate elections ewo Afenyo Markin constituency ultimately we need that. I'm telling you. Akwawe. Yakoya legitimate elections. Hey, Afenyo Markin. Owiya Kwame A+ constituency ni bi. This guy. Yes. Kwame A+ constituency no. Afenyo Markin. He at the end of the day election biano owiya sa side ni bi be can vote ho. I can come here and break down to you. Afenyo Markin. Sa the constituency no. Kwame A+ the constituency no. There is a part is supposed to be Kwame A+ constituency. Afenyo Markin area candidate. He has bullied his way to take those votes, not their candidate. See, take your GSA vote if Afenyo Markin can never win elections ever win it back. And consistently, that is what he has been doing for years. Me say, me Afenyo Markin, me mani parliament, be in 2028. I swear to God, you will never. The same way, Oko Asen South, Sofu Mokono, he will never enter parliament again in 2028. Sabo no onwura parliament biem. Obetumi aye de oye wiase bia. Afenyo Markin obetumi aso ne nsa de na ko weduro so. None of you will enter parliament. Munwura parliament biem. And I'm telling you today. And they are sorry, Asen South. MPP for na omo MPP na omo contest here with Ayesofu Moko. MPP for they have moved to the NDC. Mrs. This is Asen North. Asen South.
Mpanyifo a mo free NDC mpanyifo a enka no ebubrokosua mu nyina yenya ba be hyem wa ha na awie chicheye a yaye ayeda yinima a yekọ next elections ne abrabo eda Asen South enim nyina me di be betudwa mo amuni mi me di de Mr. Joseph Kofinya akodamche enka ne no ebubrokosua ni wura eneme ene yehwe neoma akoso ewo yeman mu yehwe ye papa Mahama oni NDC aban omoba aban mu dwuma omadi mfie ba akonie yen na ye wabubrokosua na ye independent na yeso ye adwuma wa Asen South ase yigina april 2 in premier no suni no ye hu se ne reset na agenda no edimu aye adwuma enu nti ene ye ne ye mpanyifo atena se edi nkomo ehun se ose eboa papa mama ni NDC na mutundi oman no ani kodu baabi a ose eko na yentumi enye ayebeja Asen South ewom Asen South yeso ye kan Ghana ho na ye papa mama ni NDC omo yom adwuma de ne so ose ye nso no ye sure ose ye nka akiri enti ene ye ne ye busuafo nyina ye hwe elections a ya community nyina na ye numbers edi bomu no na ema na edi nkunim nanso no esan se yemfa adwene yenkum momunti no ema na de bia na nkofo no afemu de ko 2028 yenya ne saa enti yenyinara ye be kan mo ho free na ekwi yenyina ye kwa ye branches akojoin NDC na ya ba be ye adwuma na yin se yenyina ye bomu dia enko ye se presidential seat ni kwa presidential nkwa na ye man papa mama buso nya wa no ebe ka na emu no parliamentary ni so no ye be gi aka ho na man na me se wo parliament no aye bebre na afes no ye kenkan Ghana member of parliament a Asen South no ye be gina ho bi aye gina ho ye nya ni otiti wa okrachi o ye wo yi enti no ye sra mo ye ba ya 88 aso di 20 say mu nyina mo me ka ho ni emfa ntuma mo ye nyanu NDC for ntuma no na eche ni empia Asen South ene Ghana ni wiase nyina nkwa anim awie mi frem ana ma no se no
we Asen South MPP for Papa Yoka say MPP penyini owo edien Asen South sa asofu mokuno Ntim Fordjour no oye kwase ampenyini o sa Ntim Fordjour kede Japan so ne nsade ne ba MPP mu kede Japan mo ene force ye eme split kede Japan constituency ene ode half ekodane Asen South sa Ntim Fordjour no ende ogina nkran kase kede Japan abodam oko Asen South a Ntim Fordjour onya hwe wo kwase ane tinkran ene why na fro say to ene Jimmy because na adwene ne say oh Asen South there omutuma presidential kra MPD de omde mema no that boy no ende the constituency say MPP form omo ne wie onka no kre onfam puntiomba otinkran na o Jimmy omo nyina say omo ne tonkwanta omo pai they want to take the parliamentary from him. Now me didn't catch him from the beginning of the year. He is not entering parliament again. Because of this, remember Ghana, maybe in 2 months, remember Asen South or myself to meet the NDC chairman, and a Saman way. I will meet them. And I'll let them understand, say, it's about time they came together, forged a very good team, and make sure the presidential and parliamentary akaho. And whatever resource I also may pump Asin South to make sure the NDC takes that seat, I will do it. And I will take that seat from Ntim Fordjour. Because Saboy Kwasi Ampenyi way, do I understand Bawumia na yiri using the toilet paper on crying? Kwasia on Jini Asin South on fashion cohort, wafa MP before more also Jimmy for. Na Jimmy Obi or support Kennedy Japan be a Jimmy. Into during the campaign, he was in Accra and an OD Kennedy atem. Say Kennedy Ajuni Juma, ye be an agent so. Saboy waited and crying. In Punti also the coffee. In Ntim Fordjour for being coffee. Oti Accra na Samira e use no ohro Samira dross. Kwasia. Instead say, omo mutu abama wo say, kofam Punti omra no. Oti crying, we see die one crying. E danka kraka. And osi Samira dross. Osi Samira dross e one crying. Kwasia brafie. From Punti Obrano, wadani Bawumia Samira boy, and the MPP for Omo Asin South, Omo near BA. Omo shadi ekoso Asin North, and the Enyakra Asin North for MP or a minister. Enyakra is a payday. Kada. He will solve some of their problems for them. And the Kwasiawe 8 years MPP ba power. Ntim Fordjour to Mafa Kotraba Makrumo. Do I understand? Ye beto aba. No the Samira banantinanto. No obe be a toilet. Or say I may Asin South for say it is enough. I'm coming to Ghana in about 2 months' time. The next 2 months, in Ghana, me make sure say I'll meet this man, I'll meet the chairman, I'll sit with them, strategize, put Asin South, NDC together well to make sure say they defeat this guy. I want them to nullify him, literally election vote. No, me person ending the career. Ntim Fordjour Kwasiawe, small boy, Chronone Jimmy. Na Ntim Fordjour waiting can di Kennedy atem. Kennedy Japan and a fighting almost split your man Asin South. Time asa Ntim Fordjour be contested Asin South. And ye Kennedy Japan and command peneno. Kennedy Japan kwasi ampenyi ya na di na nimagye ye. Obe kontokwa de ni sika shemu. Afedi edu time also Kennedy kopre eye Frank Atuna. Eye Ntim Fordjour gina Bawumia chika che Ntim Fordjour se Kennedy ye bie na adwene so wajimi. And Asin South for say, almost so almost one swansa. MPP for more, almost they are done. They are going to join NDC. A resetting agenda. No, they want to be part of it. And then Ntim Fordjour to make a channel before Krameba Ghana the first time. Make a channel say, I will take his seat and I'm going to take it. No, about 5 seats at 2025. Physically, spiritually, forcefully, I will take all, and none of these people can say anything. We have 5 seats, and I'll give it to the NDC for free. I don't care who becomes the president and leads the NDC. I will take them. 5 seats. Ntim Fordjour 1. Afenyo Markin 2. I will take it. Send the buyers and kwasi afonu hu nipa obubu no. Now look at this. This is another story. Good news for everyone. And a NIA, National Identification Authority, on my public announcement, and I think I just have to put it out. Moa musumupe ejumano. Public announcement, temporary recruitment. It's on their website. Solid. Moa must ejumani wono ejuma. And the National Identification Authority, NIA, invite applicants or applications from qualified and interested individuals to support its mass registration exercise for children aged 6 to 14 years across Ghana. Apply here. And baby obedo application record simple. recruitment.nia.gov.gh. We a job opening. Through a temporal, you can be permanent. Into more mope ejuma apply, abang ejuma apply no. NIA also ababontin say you can go on their website. We men confront with MP, because MP, and you see a NIA qualified or the qualified applicant. Ghana for entina Jomahama buying the buyer into what opeso apply no. This is very important. Qualified applicant. Go to recruitment.nia.gov.gh. Abino ABA. So monko apply. Baby, yamfawa yabefa baby fufro. Yamfa baby fufro yabefa baby fufro. Abano en kakra absorb imbebunu na MPP beja omu nyina gu oma adwuma anye no aban we fa kwan pa bi so kakra employ enti se NIA kra amfa wa another place bana o apply a ubenya we nye my friend chairman enye protocol asem qualification just apply aban we ensem aban we nka se we fia and you'll be shocked to know say enya mo say endu o chana nipa be 150,000 I apply. That is how it works. And we are 150,000 more apply. You need to understand say enya wo nko na obeden ye be fa adwuma. Enti kakran obian se be kan de kakra obian se be kan de. Enti if you are watching me tonight na say ukoye eye police immigration dey be na one qualifier, you don't have to spend any money. Go on the website recruitment.nia.gov.gh neko apply. It does not mean say obi apply bia benya. That is how it works. Ubenya baby, obi so benya baby na ye de obi ahye baby in the next 4 years no na imebunu dodo no enye dwuma ye. So this is job announcement. Into more apply no mo betumi apply, and I know say other agencies no and so the omo beba omunya clearance free finance ministry na so metuma fa nipa they are also going to post it out there. Omo fan temo muntina aban we ba ye Ghana mebuntina aban we ba ye en kakra no obia benya kakra ye obia benya dwuma ye na ye nyina ye kɔ enim. Nti it is very very important to say obi say child labor. This is not child labor. Omo ba be registration for enkwara omo di 6 years to 14 years. I am tie brofo I am kan brofo your friend nipa saying Tanya Mills said enye child labor. Omo na mo kwakwa registration enkwara na omo di 6 years to 14 years no ye be ma omo Ghana card. Inti ehia nipa omo ba support NHIA NIA for ema ba say adwuma no enye child labor. Na mo kan brofo na mo kan ne saying NIA for eba be registration of enkwara into omo hia nipa omo be so for temporal staff. Enye say enkwara na ye be for omo di 6 years to 14 years enye child labor. Ready. Edio. All right, you're quitting.
Cabo Jimbitas. Shall I tweet?
Shall I tweet. Thank you. Hey, Ghana. Jack, Eguro, what's some gua? Shall I tweet? I perfumes the day then grand for hey grand for the doctor. Oh, you say, hey, if I say perfumes the day, it's aqua or sorrow. I dream that the similar you say. Sometimes no cheche kulo, we are not cheche kulo at once. You know video. All right, but when you buy this way, egigi, but I'm not a refi, but still a refi.
Eh, adwa bini, enim kuntomiri. She, adwano. Wow, ani gundo so no. She nitino. Wow, nitino. Aha, once I want some neighbor. Adwa bini ne sente no. Se wa hu nitino. Sa video fansa ba komana so she like Bawumia. Faboso.
Oniani Osieni, good evening. Share Faboso Odieni. Osieni no. Aye, Osieni na nsem unsa na your commentary bi. We share Real Madrid na horse she be. Osieni no. We commentary nyina. Na minimo Osieni, talented Osieni. But Osieni din kan talk am me ansa ma to bia ma. I said the one me ko den ko yi. Osi mi din kan talk am ansa ma to bia ma. Who din kan to bi ma me. Osia. Nipa nche. Aye, Osieni no. Ete Ghana de wo pe a channel sebio omuka eduane. One thing I like about Sieni or church say eduane pa organic food, and that's good thing about him. Eduane pa ubedi ema sebio unwato Ghana. And sometimes no eduane no a year senior etumi ebitumi de fa ho de sa ho yare. I'm not approving some of the medications Sieni sometimes or prescribing on the platform so. But one home medications ni bi na normal fitting kwara be nyina enim no sometimes eduane bi wa otumi kyerɛkyerɛ apomden de manipa ene se ne boa organic food ni ade. I'm very excited about how Osieni is shaping up ekwadwuma Oma Ghana for ekon edo ekua ene se ne ye ekwadwuma ama sebio yeni so enti unfollow Osieni a me wako pen the channel na nkasa din na mabaka che no follow the channel no or very educative things so hopa or chenko for se ne be ya obeye kua obetumi etumanken obekokoro ho se ne obetwitwa se ne aduane bi kɔ ene ade we need to have all this local content eboa Emasibio, yes, so you say if you be ofie pa eboa. Into Osieni enso is going on a different level. We need to use social media sometimes to educate and also to disprove to people say ebia enye dwuma bia ye di and che say ebia yanko school and say ye ni bia otena and che say yeso yentumi make impact ewo abrabom. Into Osieni so achre say be okuani a enye say ewurum na wo na ekwadwuma no krampo no obetumi de sebio ama nipa bi esua nyoma bi nyoma bebre wa nipa bebre sua efi osuani ho a na nipa bebre no enim nti osuani yebo abaso dwumade na wodi no koso na di na boa Ghana na yeso yehu de ekoso ewefuom eduane ene se de ekọ ene se ne eboa eye amansan ene eduane pa ene emu apomudin a yebenya nti aya kyekyereje eduane eboa ye se ne eboa ye wudie ni te eduane bi asebio bofro Adwa binini dia me no beka ho asem later. All right, thank you very much. Now,
the MPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubwahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,